Welcome back to my channel. You don't know you're watching Life with MTK, and this morning guys we're gonna be doing an exercise video for you guys. So I'm gonna be doing like jogging, and I'm gonna show you some stretches before you jog and some stretches after. So the stretches before usually get your muscles ready for a jog, and then after you have to relax your muscles again. So let's get right into the video guys.
First things first, I'ma say all the words inside my head. I'm fired up and tired of the way that things have been. Oh, ooh, the way that things have been. Oh, ooh. Second thing, second, don't you tell me what you think that I can be. I'm the one at the sail, I'm the master of my sea. Oh, ooh, the master of my sea. Oh, ooh. I was broken from a young age, taking my soak into the masses, writing my poems for the few that look at me, took to me, shook at me, feeling me, singing from heartache, from the pain, taking my message from the veins, speaking my lesson from the brain, seeing.
So guys, those were the before stretches. Time for the jog.
Yeah, you can be the greatest, you can be the best, you can be the King Kong banging on your chest.
You could beat the world, you could beat the war, you could talk to God, go banging on his door.
You can throw your head.
What a nice view, guys. I'm in nature. Feeling so good this morning. Are the after stretches.
Yeah, you can be the greatest, you can be the best, you can be the King Kong banging on your chest.
You could beat the world, you could beat the war, you could talk to God, go banging on his door.
You can throw your hands up, you can beat the clock, you can move a mountain, you can break rocks.
You could be a master, don't wait for luck. Dedicate yourself and you go find yourself.
Standing in the Hall of Fame,
Yeah,
and the world's gonna know your name,
yeah,
'cause you burn with the burning flame,
yeah,
and the world's gonna know your name,
yeah.
and you'll be on the walls of the Hall.
So guys, that was it. It's always good to do a workout. Either you want to do it in the morning, in the evening, whenever time is best for you. It's good for the overall health of your body to do workout, burn calories. It's good for your immune system and everything. It's good overall to eat healthy and do workouts. So there I did some stretches that you can practice before you have a jog, and some stretches after the jog. It's not just going to jog like that. You have to get your muscles ready for your jog, and then after the jog you have to relax your muscles. Hit the subscribe button, click on your post notification bell so you will get all my videos when I post. And if you like this video, click on the thumbs up and share to your friends and family. Thank you so much for watching, guys.